Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
CapCut zoom in and out tutorial. So here I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial how to zoom in and how to zoom out on CapCut. As you can see right now, it's the video. It has no zoom in or zoom out, as you can see right there. There you go. So now we're gonna add some zoom in, zoom out. So here we're just gonna add a zoom in right over here. Once the tiger shows up, so we're just gonna add zoom right there. Put we're gonna zoom in right here. Right this part right there. There we go. Zoom in the tag right there. Once the video is over right here, we're gonna zoom it out. The tiger is almost close, so we're just gonna zoom it out. Now to make a smooth zoom in and zoom out, always look on the person and what is he doing and where is the direction of it. For example, right there, the tiger is going in front, and when he's about fully out, we're just gonna show his full body right there. So now when we play, zoom, then out. As you can see, right there, it gives us a little bit of something like it gives us how it's like showed us the main character of of the the video. So it shows how close and how far it is. The lion is still scary. Here's the second video. Now if you see he's walking like sideways, something like that, I suggest focusing on where he is looking and how to make it look. There we go. We need to find the perfect angle to zoom in on him, like there. Now let's look at where is he looking at. So now we're just gonna zoom it right there. There. I think that's the perfect time. There we go. Perfect time to zoom. Zoom right there because it's funny. Then we're gonna zoom it out real quick. It's a quick zoom. Zoom in, then zoom out. There you go. Zoom in, zoom out. Then we're gonna see on the other one. A quick zoom in, zoom out. There you go. As you can see, made the video much better. And to zoom in and zoom out on it, CapCut this up, you can just hold on Control, then scroll wheel up to zoom and scroll it down to zoom out, or you can just click out manually here. There you go. Zoom out and then zoom in. Or you can do the control minus or control plus to zoom in and then zoom out, control minus. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it on the comment below. Happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.